Hey guys, Got Level here, and Twitch just announced that watch parties are available worldwide now. As you can see in that tweet, they say, grab your popcorn and community. Watch parties are now available worldwide to any creator with a Prime or Prime Video subscription. Kick back and enjoy your favorite movie or TV shows together on Twitch. Now, I wanted to make a video about it because I had questions. The first thing that popped in my mind was TOS. Oh my god, TOS, especially since they show The Boys. If you watch that series, you know that there's some very monkey TOS stuff happening in there. So I wondered, hey, am I gonna get banned for showing, I don't know, extra violence or maybe extra nudity or stuff like that? And then I read the article. So we're gonna be going through explaining everything that you need to know about Twitch watch parties. So this is the full article. Of course, it will be linked in the description. It says, with watch parties, Twitch communities can come together, watch, react, and discuss any movie, blah blah blah. Currently available to all creators and viewers on desktop web. That means it is not an affiliate only stuff. I'm guessing from what they're saying here. Okay, so where to find it? You will see it will be added to your dashboard in your quick actions. I did in fact check that, and as you can see here, this is my dashboard and it's been added to my quick actions. Okay, then it will ask you to authorize this device for Prime Video playback, whatever it is. That's fine, just log in with your Prime account or your Amazon account, and then basically you select which movie or which content that you need to watch. Something that is important here: set up your webcam, video, and audio. Your webcam will stream to the picture-by-picture video player above chat. I don't know if you guys, well, if you watch this channel, you know that picture-by-picture is something where there's a little video player that's gonna be on top of the chat. So initially they announced that for ads. That means when an ad is playing on the main screen, it would put your stream top right. But apparently they're gonna be using the same thing for the watch party. So you full screen webcam, anything that you're broadcasting straight to Twitch from your broadcasting software will be top right. They ask you to have your webcam full screen, and then the movie or TV series or whatever you're watching is going to be full screen on the video player on Twitch. I will also, I'll probably do a test at the end of the video to show you exactly what it looks like. Step 1, launch your streaming app. For streamers just getting started, we recommend Twitch Studio. Don't use Twitch Studio. Disable all audio and video sources except webcam and mic. You probably want your alerts to still go off. So either separate it, don't let your alerts go from your desktop audio, because you will want your desktop audio to be muted in order to not restream the audio of what you're watching twice. Resize your webcam to fit the entire canvas if it doesn't already. This will ensure webcam stream fits the video player above chat. All good. So if you have like overlays where your webcam is actually small, everything is gonna show up. Everything that you're broadcasting is gonna be on top of that chat. So you being full screen there is kind of the best experience for your chat. And then you can pick your title and then start watch party from your dashboard. Okay. After 15 seconds, the Prime content will start playing on your channel and your webcam stream will appear in the picture-by-picture format above chat. You can either open watch parties in a new tab or go to your own channel to watch with your community. Troubleshooting, of course. Why do my viewers hear double audio? I explained that. Why can't my viewers hear me? Your webcam audio is muted by default for viewers. They can unmute the webcam audio using audio controls within the picture-by-picture format. That's good to know. I didn't know that. What? Okay. How do I host a watch party for viewers outside of my region? Look for broadly available. So there's filters to find things that everyone can watch together, basically. For viewers, how to join a watch party, I'll let you read that part. Okay, guidelines. This is the part that's pretty interesting, and this is the questions that I had. So Prime Video's maturity ratings and parental controls apply to Prime Video content. Parties, this content's governed by basically, okay, please read it carefully, okay? But what it says is that the video being played, the title that you've chosen, abides by terms of services of Amazon Prime Video. So it has nothing to do with you. If it's, you know, gory, if it's crazy, if it's inappropriate, that's on Amazon. But what you show, what you broadcast on your webcam and what is in chat, it's Twitch TOS. That means if you're watching something that is very, very explicit, you need to be very careful when it, well, maybe not, you know, I think context obviously matters, but be careful when it comes to how you let chat discuss certain things. Let them know that, hey, we are still under Twitch TOS. The show is not, but we are. If you're watching The Men in High Castle or Hunters, what was it? You know, watch out what people are typing. So as it said, Prime Video content will automatically stream on your channel. Do not use your streaming app to capture video or audio of Prime Video content. If you do, your channel may be subjected to takedown in accordance to Twitch community guidelines, blah, blah, blah. So technically, you are not allowed to capture the video. Like, Twitch will show the show, the movie, whatever you're watching, it's going to show it automatically. It has nothing to do with your broadcasting software. So there's no display capture, there's no window capture, none of that. All your broadcasting is your webcam on Twitch. If you don't do that, you are going to get a DMCA takedown, basically. So you don't own anything. Twitch is not renting you their Amazon Prime Video is not renting you the rights to a show. That it doesn't work like that. You're not a TV station. So be very careful with that. And the classic, what about mature content on watch parties? The Prime Video catalog watch parties may contain titles with content intended for mature audiences. It may contain graphic, language, graphic, blah, 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 blah. Or other themes may not be suitable for some viewers, okay? We provide a warning prior to viewing mature content. Amazon ratings are also visible in the details section underneath the watch parties. If you genuinely know that there's a bunch of children in your stream that have Prime accounts, be careful. Even though they do say that they watch out for any Prime Video parental controls applicable to your account will also be recognized. So like if they know that it's an underage person watching it, it's maybe not gonna play for them or whatever, but don't count on that. If they're underage, most likely they're using their parents' Prime account. So I feel like Twitch is not gonna necessarily punish you for it, but the responsibility falls on you. I, for example, know that I have a bunch of underage kids watching my content on Twitch, so I'm not gonna be streaming anything that is rated M, for example. Wait, rated M? Rated R. Rated R. Frequently asked questions. Is Prime content safe to stream and watch? Yes, you are already entitled to watch this content. What television shows are available? Just go look at the list. Can I start or join a watch party on my mobile device? Not at this time. So if you're on your phone, you're not going to be able to join. Watch parties supported on all browsers. Currently, watch parties are supported with Firefox and Chrome. Oh, feels bad for my Safari or Opera users right now. Because watch parties support localized language, blah, blah, blah. Do VODs and clips work? They work, but let me guess. Will contain the content streamed from your webcam, visible in the picture. Cannot clip video content and it won't be featured alongside your VODs and clips. So if you clip something, you're just gonna clip the reaction of the streamer. You're not gonna clip anything from the actual show, which makes sense when it comes to DMCA and stuff like that. You don't want anything that you don't have a license to. Which features aren't available during watch parties? Raids, squad streams, and ads are disabled during watch parties at this time. That is actually pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. You can't raid someone who's having a watch party. Oof. Oof. The content available in each local may vary, blah, blah. Depending on where you are, you might not have access to certain content to view. Join my watch party if they are an Amazon Prime or video subscriber outside of my region. Yes, they can join the watch party if the title is available for Prime subscribers in their region. That means if I'm watching something that's available on my region, even if you have Prime Video, if it's not available for you, you're not going to be able to see it. What streaming software is compatible with watch anything? Can I co-stream watch parties? No, Prime content will automatically stream on your channel. Yeah, you can't do that. Can my viewers show their support during a watch party? They can sub cheer during a watch party. Nice. Can I start a watch party before I go live? No, you must be live, blah, blah, blah. Can I stop a watch party while it's in progress? Yes, yes, boom, boom, boom. Will channel moderators have access to watch parties? Have special access to chat, but not the Prime Video content itself. Does watch parties impact my path to partnership? Watch parties do not count towards a creator's path to partnership. Weird question, but also weird answer. To sum it up, watch parties are available only for people who have Prime, okay? Or at least Prime Video, because some people don't have the whole Prime, they only have Prime Video. So watch parties are available only for those people. So your viewers must have Prime in order to watch with you. I don't know what happens if they don't have Prime. I think they're only gonna see your webcam full screen and they're not gonna watch the show. Let's try it out. What do you think? Let's try it out. I'm gonna open up Streamlabs OBS because this is what I use to stream. And we're gonna launch a watch party real quick just to see like when I'm logging in and stuff like that. Okay, so this is Streamlabs OBS and I'm gonna launch a stream. We'll see what happens. Okay, so technically we are live. So what I'm gonna do now is go to my dashboard. Wait for this to appear as if I'm live. Okay, so everything is here. Boom, boom, boom. All right. We're on my very, very high quality stream. And if I click start watch party, okay, so this is where it asks me to log in. So log in or try and okay, whatever. Probably cut that part out, but I just enter my email, the password, and then boom, boom, boom. All right, so featured title. So you can see the broadly available at the bottom here. Okay. American Playboy. Okay. It's cool because it's suggesting things that are already broadly available. That means that anyone can watch it. Pretty sure this show is about, I'm even scared to say what those shows are about on YouTube. Let's click on this. Shark Water Extinction. 16 plus. Most Prime members on Twitch can watch this content, okay? This title may be intended for mature audiences. It may contain adult content, graphic language, graphic violence, nudity, strong sexual content, or other themes that may not be suitable for viewers. Okay, at this point I feel like I can't. It's crazy. And now we can start. So the countdown begins, and I can click to open it in a new tab or go to my Twitch channel. I'm gonna click here and see what it looks like. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go full screen. My chat is emotes only. I hope you guys read the title. This is just a test, okay? So, and I can click start watching. Wait, I can click start. Is it still working? This is crazy. Got us out here questioning the damn day. Watch party begins in 1 second. Watch party will begin soon. So this is what it looks like. And to unmute the creator, you just have to click here. And it unmutes the creator. It says not supported on mobile. It is not supported on mobile. Say hi to YouTube, y'all, if you can hear me. I don't know if it's slow-mo or if it's my connection that's so bad. Has BS, I can't watch because unfortunately Gael Level is watching a title that is not available. It said that this was broadly available. Okay, it's cool that you're here because we can have, okay, boom. So when I pause it, it pauses for you too, right guys? Guys, be useful. Help me out here. I'm testing this. Is it working? Is it playing for you right now? Is it paused? It's a very simple question. Is the video of the show that we're watching, is it paused right now? I want to know if I'm controlling this or if you guys are controlling it individually to make sure that we're synced. Video and see it, yes. Okay, the movie is running. No, it's not paused. So if I press play, it's gonna catch up. Okay, so once it's launched, you can't, okay, I got you. So I'm not controlling this. All right, once you press play, it's just going on and you can only catch up, but you can't rewind. Okay, that's good. That's good to know. I may have it paused for me, but you guys it's playing. It's still playing for you guys. It's cool. Okay. It's weird that you can't pause it. Maybe I want to pause it and give commentary or whatever, but that's not possible apparently. Okay, and then I can end the watch party. All right, and if I go to my channel now, watch party has ended. Continue on Prime and just dismiss. Okay, boom, and now I have my normal stream. Okay, good to know. Say hi YouTube chat. Can we get some hi YouTubes in chat? Oh. No, thank you for the follow. Anyways, that was it for now. I'm gonna cut the video, make sure that my recording is good. Maybe I'll come back and actually I don't want to do a watch party right now. Maybe I'll go back live. I don't know. But that was a test. Thank you guys for participating. Thank you guys for helping me out. And I will see you guys later. Let me finish my video. Thank you for the sub. People are subbing during my test. Come on, I gotta go. Bye, I love you. So okay, that got super hyped super fast. So this is how it works. So you can pause it. Once you play it, you just play it. You don't have the option to move forward or anything. You can only start it and then people can pause if they want, but they'll catch up as if it was like a live stream. There's no real playback options. But that's definitely interesting. Before you start your watch party, you might want to tell people, hey, click on me in the picture-in-picture to unmute me, because they might not know this and be like, I can't hear you. So yeah, that's Twitch watch parties. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. I think I told you everything that I know, at least, and did a live testing of it. So hopefully that clears out a bunch of questions that you have. Please go read the article. It will be linked in the description. I don't work for Twitch. Okay, I just do this because I know my community is a bunch of live streamers. So if you have any issues or whatever, like I don't do customer service for Twitch. Anyways, if you're looking for some dope overlays, go to gumroad.com/gallevel. If you're, I post a bunch of overlay packs. Most of them are actually free, and then the rest is super affordable. So go check it out. And I will see you guys next time. Join the Discord. Follow me on Twitch for the next time I'm doing watch party. Who knows? And go out there, make me proud. Gallevel out.